Ruyan Jiangxi Hardware Company Limited was established in 2013, located in Wenzhou, Zhejiang Province, near to Ningbo and Shanghai Port. We specialized in producing home deceleration, furniture, kitchen cabinet hardware accessories for several years, including hinges, door stopper, brass handle, with more than 1 million pieces of annual output. We have numbers of outstanding technical staff and manager, and more than 5 design person. So we own exclusive product design, develop new unique and elegant styles to meet the user's comfortable hand feeling. We win the appreciate from customers, from domestic and abroad. We adopt modern, intelligent precision equipment, automated production line, pursues excellent in product quality, and the plating process. Keep improving the production control process, manufacturing process, and meet the technical requirements from global customers. We have advantage in the mold development, CNC machining, forging process, in that we can lower our cost. We keep high efficiency communication with client, constantly take customers' needs and advice to improve service level and quality, achieve orders in good quality and quantities. We have obtained third parties production capacity evaluation certification, will enlarge overseas market and further international cooperation in the next few years. Our company value core is integrity first, quality first, customer first, win-win cooperation, so we can keep consistent progress. Our promise to our client is good service, competitive price, complete the order with high quality.